Hi friends, today we will discuss about how to automate your saving. So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. So let's get started. There are a few points to cover this topic. So the first point is understand the importance of your automation. Explain how automating saving help ensure consistency and discipline in saving money. It reduces the temptations to spend and make saving a seamless part of your financial routine. Next point is assesses all your financial goals. Identify your saving goals, whether they are short term like a vacation or long term like retirement or buying a home. Having clear goals will help determine how much you should automate your each month. So next point is choose the right saving account. Select a saving account that offers good interest rate and minimal fees. Look for your account especially designed for saving, as they often provide better returns than regular checking accounts. Next point is contact your bank or use your online banking apps to set up automatic transfers from your checking accounts to your saving account. Decide on a fixed amount to transfer monthly or bi-weekly. Next point is align transfer with paydays. Schedule your automatic transfer to consider with your payday. This way, as soon as you receive your income, portion is automatically saved, reducing the temptation to spend it all. Next point is create multiple saving goals. If you have several saving goals like emergency fund, vacation fund, and the retirement fund, set up different saving accounts or sub accounts for each goal. Automate transfer to each account accordingly. So next part is using saving app. Explore financial app that helps automate savings. Many apps can round up your purchases and transfer the differences to your saving account, or allow you to set a saving challenges to boost your contribution. Next one is monitor and adjust regularly. Keep an eye on your automatic saving. Review your progress and financial situation periodically. Adjust the amounts or frequency of transfer if your financial situation changes or you achieve your goals. Next point is celebrate your progress. Acknowledge milestone in your saving journey. Celebrating small achievements can keep you motivated and reinforce positive saving habits, making the process enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates.